Using bath salts are a great way to detox, relax and revive your body. Epsom salts draw out toxins, reduces swellings and soothes and exfoliates the skin. Natural salts like sea salt or Himalayan pink salt stimulates circulation and relieves muscle cramps and stiffness. Bamboo leaf tea is rich in silica that promotes collagen for strong nails, hair and glowing skin. Lavender's natural antibacterial and antiseptic properties eases skin irritation and acne. Hibiscus flowers are high in antioxidants and have great anti-aging benefits that purify the skin. But feel free to use different herbs that you have available. In addition to adding fragrance, essential oils have a wide variety of health benefits, including relieving stress, antibacterial properties, and promoting skin rejuvenation. I'm using lavender, geranium, and peppermint oil. You can use any combination of essential oils that you like, but to avoid skin irritation, limit the amount of oils you use to between 10 to 30 drops. Store your herbal bath salts in an airtight container. For even more natural DIYs, check out this playlist.